Hey guys, good morning. How y'all doing? I'm only sneaking up in this YT room for a second. I will be coming back later with a grocery haul and show you guys what I've been trying to do for the fall. I guess some crafts. See, show you what I got from what I bought. Some yarn and a couple of other little things. Because I got some patterns too. Barbara, I know y'all don't know who I'm talking about, but Barbara, I just wanted to show you my patterns. You about the only person that sews that does keep coming back to my channel. The other people I was still subscribed to, but they don't support my channel, and I haven't been going to theirs. That's so. But Barbara, you will come through and say hello, and I'll go over there and see what you're doing. You know how we do it, Barbara. But anyway, I just want to show you the patterns that I got. Well, anyway, I'll come up to your channel and make sure that you see the patterns that I bought when I put them in my crafting, what I got for crafting. Well, anyway, this morning I'm showing y'all the mustards that I got. Some mustards in the bag where they say they already washed and ready to cook. Well, I still wash them and pick through them. And in this bag from Kroger, which is out here, aka also Food for Less, and Ralph's, the same family, I got some, well, my husband bought me some greens in a bag. They're ready to wash and ready to eat, but I still rinsed them and then I picked through them. You probably can't tell in the sink down there. I picked through a whole bunch of stems that had brown stuff on them. Like they about to go bad, brown stuff. It just, they're beginning to spoil, those brown spots on there. Or should I say rot, whatever. So I just washed the greens. And it's like half the bag was full of these dang stems. And then an easier way for me to, y'all probably can't see now, you look at a pan full of greens. I spread it out after I washed them off. So that way I can pick through them to get all them old brown stems out. So if you don't know, now you know, use a big old pan. You know, a long flat pan. If you got a paper towel, one of the ones, just, you know, or you don't have to use a paper towel. I just have it down there. One of them bounties soak up a lot of water. I do have the lettuce spinner, but I am not using that. So anyway, just a tip for anybody that don't know, if you want to really pick through your greens quickly from a bag of greens, just after you wash them, spread them out in when you big old pans or whatever you want to spread them out on, and that way you could easily pick through and get all the bad stuff out. Because those stems, that, like I say, the bag is halfway full of stems and you get a little green. So the best way to get greens, I guess, if you're not a single or two people, whatever, is to get them fresh. And you pick them and clean them, you know, yourself instead of getting the bag. Because like I said, ain't nothing but half a bag of stems. All that in the sink. Could be greens, but ain't nothing but those spoiling stems hitting in the bag. And also, when you spread them like this out the bag, you can see if any yellow, brown spots, whatever. Just pick out all the nasty stuff when you spread them on the pan. I got, this pan is 19 by 13, I think. One of these big old biscuit pans. Where did I get this from? Ooh, good question. I forgot where I got this pan. Well, anyway, neither here nor there. I'm just, my tip of the day for my dang self too is spread these suckers out so you can find all the mess you don't want in your mouth. An easier way to clean them this way, the greens in the bag, not the fresh ones. But anyway, from now on, I think I'll just be buying the fresh greens and pick them myself instead of getting these greens in the bag. Because like I say, half of them ain't nothing but stems. That's all I wanted to come here and say, and I'll drag on, keep running off at the mouth, talking about nothing, doing nothing. I ain't in this video. Okay, that's it. I'm going to say bye, and I also would like to show y'all a gardening update too. Anyway, check out all my videos. Welcome back anyone who's watching my videos. Thank you all. Bye.